Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Kitten from Shumatt, China. We specialize in the common rail injector. Look at this one. This is the product I'm going to show you. Okay, let's check the details first, okay? We package with the VCI anti-rust bags, and also in this part, this is the label. Yep. The first line is our Shumatt logos. If you want to print with your own logos, you can contact us. And we supply those kind of customized services like the label, the logo, the packaging bags, and so on. On this part, it's the product code F00VC01360. Okay? And the application inject model number is 0445110460, 0445110327, and 0445110299, 0445110308. Okay, that's all the model numbers for the adaptive inject model numbers. Yep. On this part is the QR code. Let's open it to see the inside. Friend, if you have any questions, please, you can contact us, okay? If you watch the videos, if you want to know something, you can contact us. Yeah, you can add our WhatsApp. Yes, just add our WhatsApp and we can talk at the WhatsApp. This is the inside part. Actually, we had two types of our packages. We have this one and that one. And actually, today I will show you this one. This is, you can open it like this way, just pull one side and you will, okay. In the inside, we package with oil paper. This oil paper can be better proven, some liquid, some air, some rust. Yes, so it's very safe for our product. Yeah. For our product, we not only sealing the whole part, but also sealing separate parts. You can look at this one. This is the valve cap. For the valve cap, they had a coating with curved letters. For the valve rod, we had different size. If you want other sizes, you can contact us, okay? Okay, so much for the product introductions. Actually, we have many models numbers, right? If you are not familiar with the model numbers, you can contact us and we'll just send us the product code. We can help you to check it. Also, you can download the app. About the warranties, and actually for our product, we have the 6 months warranties. During this time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us and we can exchange your product for you. Here, I have several tips I want to share with you. First tip is if you want to clean it with the oil, okay? And if you want, when you install it, you'd better to make sure the valve cap can be in the right position, the valve rod can be moved smoothly. Yes, that's all the tips I want to share with you. Actually, each week we have different videos and live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. If you are interested about our product, welcome you to contact us, okay? And except that, we also supply the injector, the nozzle, repair kit, the pumps, the parts for the pumps, including the valve we are showing today. Yes, okay. I thought it's time for us to say goodbye to each other. Yes, time is so fast. Okay, so much for today's product introductions. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. See you next time, guys.